Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can change the language on Telegram application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So the first thing you need to do to go to your Telegram application. Once you open your Telegram application, you need to tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Tap there. From there you need to go to settings, and in settings you need to scroll down where you will find language. So here are the list of languages available on Telegram application. It depends on your preference. So whatever language that you want to choose, you can just tap like this and the language will be changed. As you can see, the language has changed to Arabic. I will change it back to English. And that's it. So guys, this is all it takes to change language on Telegram application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.